everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam, this is my jam, and today I have an unbagging for you. Give you one guess of where it's from. If you guess Coach, you're right. But besides just Coach, you could have also guessed Amazon, and you would also be right, because I do have one item here for Amazon, and I'm going to start with that. So what I picked up from Amazon is another bag strap.
Those aren't suspenders?
No, they're not. But they're so cool. They have this colored pattern on one side, and you actually could flip it and use the other side, which is kind of a pink and brown, like Baskin-Robbins. But yeah, I just thought it was really cute. I thought it would go with a lot of my bags, and I think it was under $10. So I bought it. The gold's a little shiny, but who's looking at the hardware when you have a beautiful bag, right? So that was just a quick thing I was going to show everybody that I got. I don't know why lately I've been kind of into bag straps, but I have. So now onto my purchase. Two things here. Okay, number one, I got this cute little lavender peppled bag. I love lavender. It's awesome. I love the pebbling on here. It has a snap closure. The inside has it's like a microfiber lining. This actually comes with a chain strap. Right now it's still stuck in there. But yeah, it's got this, and I got a little knot in here too that I have to get out. Let's see. Well, okay, we'll get that out some other time. But I love the silver hardware on this. I thought this was so cute. I don't really have that many mini bags like this, and I thought I could use this as a catch-all inside of a bigger bag or a tote that I was using. It does have one inside card slot, and then here's the cards for it. Looks like that.
Is it a snap or magnetic?
Basically kind of both. I mean, but it sets in there, but it's magnetic. Love the silver hardware on it. And let's see, price-wise, it was originally, am I going to be able to read this? $178, and then it was, I think, 60% off, and then another 15% off that. So I thought it was a good deal. But yeah, it's just a cute little bag, and I just love the color. So I had to have it. And it's from the Coach outlet. I believe these are from the, yeah. And so I got that. And the reason I went in the store is, we have outlets by our house, and they don't have a lot of stores. We don't have very many. There's, man, we could probably name them all off. There's Nike, Tommy Hilfiger, North Face. No, is Tommy even there anymore? No Tommy anymore. So Nike, North Face, Carter's,
The shoe place.
Yeah, Famous Footwear, Aeropostale.
Yeah.
Aeropostale, Hanes.
Auntie
Anne's, yeah, pretzels. Lane Bryant, the Yankee Candle, Under Armour, Gap, Old Navy, Bath and Body, Claire's,
Columbia,
Ralph Lauren, Michael Kors, Skechers, Jockey, Eddie Bauer, Torrid, and Coach. So there aren't very many. This is a huge complex. It's not even 50% full. It's about 30% full. On a side note, my son does the landscaping for it, so that part looks really nice. But anyways, we drive by there often, usually at night when everything's closed. But Coach has just got me with something that was in the window this time. And we drove by it, and I liked it, and drove by it, and I liked it. And then we went there a few times, and my husband's like, do you want to stop? Nope. Another time, you sure you don't want that blank bag? Yep, not going to get it. Okay, you want to stop? Nope. I finally said yes, I hate to stop. That's where this comes in. I got this is the Rogue. Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called. I think it's like a Rogue if it's not a Rogue. A Rowan? I don't know. But I love this bag. It is this lavender bag. It's puffy and quilted. It has silver hardware, which I love. It's got its little hand tag here. It's so soft. You turn it over, and there is a small little zipper spot. Actually, sorry. Let's see. Pretty good spot. You know, there you could put a couple cards in there. Not a phone. And then it comes with a leather adjustable, removable strap. And then the inside is brown, and it has a slip pocket here and a big slip pocket here. Let's see. This slip pocket is a zipper pocket on this side, but otherwise it's just a big old cavern. But one of the other reasons that I got this was because I like the idea of including the chain from this on here. Now, granted, I wouldn't carry it as a shoulder bag with this chain, but I might do something fun just to put some more silver with the bag. So I thought that would be really cute together. So this was my other purchase. I just think this is so cute. It has feet. So show you here again, a little spin here. Oh, I probably can't. Yeah, it's attached for now. But so here's the front. This is not the mini. There is a smaller one than this one. Side.
Ooh, the runway spin.
Yeah, side. This is the Autumn Beckman spin.
Oh, okay.
Side.
And the
bottom. And the top. So I just think this is gorgeous. I just couldn't deny it. The silver hardware, the lavender. Oh, I have a thing for lavender right now too. So I have a thing for an awful lot of colors and bags.
Just bags in general.
Yeah, that's true. That's 100% true. I was trying not to say that, but okay. And yeah, so this is what I got. I believe they're still in stock. They also had a lime green that was very similar to the Celine, a little more Celine, Mulberry. My mulberry bag, but a little more muted, and I almost got something in that color too, but I really like my mulberry, so I decided I didn't need that. But these are so cute. To me, they're like almost like miniature Speedies, so like a Speedy 20. What I like about this one is it's puffy, but it doesn't take up all the space in the bag. Some of the other tabbies that they had that I actually bought one and then I returned it, because you couldn't fit anything in it. It was so puffy, but the puffy went into the bag, and there was not carrying much of anything in there. And so this is so different. This is why I had to go in and try them first, because I just wanted to make sure I could put a ton in here. And I can. Okay, not that I need a ton, but still, like to put what I want in here. So that's what I have for now. I have a couple other unboxings coming up. Let's see, I can think of one or two. Stop shaking your head. Stop shaking your head.
I'm busy those days.
A couple more unboxings coming up. I saw something on Fashion File, and it was within the first 5 days it got there. And oh my gosh, I had never seen it before. I've never seen it before. And oh man, it was add to cart like that. I'm like, it's a brand that it maybe would have went down a little bit. But yeah, this girl was not taking any chances. I saw the bag and I saw the price and she grabbed it. Got that. I have something from Hermes coming. Went to the website, saw something I never saw before. Boom, bang, bang. Purchased it. That'll be coming. And so yeah, a few unboxings coming up. And I'm sure there'll be other stuff as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And once I hit 1,000, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'll give details on that coming up in a separate video.
You're not giving me away, are you?
No, but you're going to be in the video.
Oh, okay.
When I hit 1,000.
Okay.
I will also show you the man behind the camera.
All right.
We are going to do a video together. And so if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Just go ahead and do it if you don't mind. And also I'm going to plug another channel. my son is super close to hitting 1,000 on his channel. He does videos basically mainly about Animal Crossing, but some other video things, and I would love to see him hit 1,000. He needs less than 50 people. So I'm going to put his link down below for his channel, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing, just subscribe. You don't have to watch it, just subscribe. Help him out. And he actually has some really cute things in there. He takes bits and pieces of movies and then does them in Animal Crossing style. They're actually really good. So if you don't mind doing that, I would